paradise. That's what we're all looking for, right? These are my clients, and I'm their buyer's representative. And here you'll see a first-hand account of our adventures together. We'll look at some of the most magnificent property porn in Tulum and Playa del Carmen, along with the most delicious culinary delights this region has to offer. And you might even discover a thing or two about how to purchase a property in the Riviera Maya. Because this is my casa, and my casa is your casa. Hey guys, I'm Raul Morales, and this is and we're buyers representatives with Mycasa Realty. And today we're going to be talking to Carl and Cathy of Florida. Carl is as cool and calm as the high-end AC units at his thriving Floridian business. He's approachable, easy to talk to, and I couldn't help but notice how precise he is with his words and thoughts. Perhaps this is because one of the languages he's most fluent in is mathematics. While you and I might at best stream cartoons or perhaps movies in our heads, Carl streams multiple overlapping matrices and can compare which path best suits his and his wife Cathy's plans. And he does it all without the need of a pen and paper. It's a gift that has served him as well in Florida as it will here in the Riviera Maya as an investor. What's important to you in a property?
We like the resort style feel. Quality makes everything to me. I've been in an air conditioning business for 40 years, so quality and ethics to me is everything. So that's how I actually come across you on YouTube.
And you want to rent this out the other 4 or 5 months out of the year?
Correct. Maybe the lock off more than that.
And what is a comfortable budget range for you?
$250,000 to $300,000.
What kind of amenities would you like?
The common area where we can sit up there, we could have a party, we can play
people.
Yeah, we love meeting new people. It's one of the things I love the best. Today we're going to see AWA, which was my first preference. The first thing I saw was AWA, and we'll see today.
Well, let's go take a look at AWA.
Let's do it.
Good.
All right, great. You guys are great, by the way.
I've done commercials.
This development's 3 Qs are its location, amenities, and wow factor. This development is located in Playa Car's most exclusive gated residential community. Playa Car is a whole city unto itself. This development consists of 230 units of 1, 2, and 3 bedroom condos and townhomes, ranging in size from 1,000 to 3,200 square feet total construction, and starting at just under $240,000. These units are delivered, equipped, and unfurnished. Amenities include an open reception area with an experienced concierge, a 170-yard pool, poolside snack bar, perfect for margaritas and fish tacos, a professional business office with a conference room, TV area and billiards area, state-of-the-art gym with cycling and yoga rooms, complete with his and hers sauna and jacuzzi bathing rooms. Then there's an adults-only pool and lounge area with an upscale kitchen perfect for anniversaries and private events. With paddle courts, parking, 24-hour security, and a trolley that drops you off near the beach or downtown, this development feels like a first-class private resort. because of its incredible wow factor and look and feel. This is for the sort of buyer who's looking to fall in love with an upscale investment property in one of Playa's most exclusive neighborhoods. Okay, so Carl and Cathy, what did you think of AWA?
AWA's amazing. It's a beautiful place. That was our first love when we started looking.
The amenities are gorgeous and nice.
Yeah, very nice place.
Yeah, it's got that wow factor when you first walk into it, doesn't it?
Absolutely.
Very much so.
Yeah.
The outdoor, the pool, it's got the bar, it's got the restaurant, and in our case, we looked at the lock-off, nice terrace. We don't have to look at the neighbors. We can see the pool.
A lot of privacy.
So, what's the next step, guys?
So we have two properties that we like, AWA and YaaxLum.
This development's three Qs are its location, huge spaces, and the authentic Tulum jungle look and feel. This development consists of 64 units over a large 1 hectare lot that encompasses an entire block and is located in Region 15 near Avenida Kukulkan with easy access to the beach, the Holistica Wellness Center, and downtown Tulum. The units here consist of spacious 1, 2, and 3-bedroom lock-off units starting at just under $180,000, and spaces that range from 1,000 square feet to just under 2,400 square feet of total construction. The units come equipped with AC units, closets, full kitchen, and are delivered unfurnished. Amenities include a gym, social living area, bar, jacuzzi, 24-hour security, underground parking, and a small private storage space. Each of the 4 towers has their own amenities, meaning that only 16 units share these amenities for each tower. This development has one of the sexiest pools in Tulum, which has a naughty nook. Great for when you just can't keep your hands off of each other in this development's lush jungles. This development is for the kind of buyer who wants to use this for themselves and rent it out when not in use. Can I hear what the matchup looks like? What did you like most about YaaxLum?
It's open concept. I really like that place.
I love that jungle feeling. I mean, you still have tropics,
Right.
but you got that jungle feeling, and it's a totally different experience.
Being the first one in is very attractive. Getting that price in
Right.
that big space is a great investment opportunity.
Yes.
Yeah. Would be nice if there was an airport closer.
They're actually building an international airport in Tulum, and they're building the Mayan train that will take you from the Cancun International Airport that's been in existence for a long time,
Right.
and that train will take you straight out to Tulum. So you're going to have those two options of very easily flying in and getting transported easily to Tulum.
Right.
Cutting the travel time in half.
That would be great.
Yes.
Yeah, it's coming very soon. Another thing to consider is that because you're the first ones in, there is going to be construction all around you for some time. Where here, this is the last commercial lot in Playa Car. There's no more construction. It's all quiet. It's all done, and you can enjoy it immediately.
So what you just said is very inviting to me.
Yes.
Very inviting to me.
Yeah. In general, my clients that are looking to live here and want to focus on that side of things like Playa del Carmen more. My clients that are looking for the numbers, the investment side of things, have noticed that the numbers are slightly more attractive in Tulum.
Correct.
So there's a big difference there.
Do you expect Tulum to develop just like this?
Most definitely. Tulum is being developed to be the rich side of the Riviera Maya. So when it's all said and done, it's going to be more expensive, more exclusive than Playa del Carmen, and in many respects, it already is. The only thing that it's lacking is some infrastructure,
Right.
and this is because the municipality has not been able to keep up with all the developments that have been coming up. So you have these multi-million-dollar developments popping up in the middle of the jungle with unpaved roads, for example, and that's
Right.
one of the ones we're looking at. Well, Carl, thanks for coming on the
Thank
video,
you.
man.
Appreciate it.
And Kathy,
Thank you.
pleasure to meet you.
It was great. Thank you. You as well.
Okay, guys, well, this is Raul Morales, buyer's representative and founder of Mycasa Realty. Let's find out what they choose. Oh, hey guys. Might as well take this time to give you a little bit of inside info. When purchasing a property in the Riviera Maya, timing is crucial, and developers typically sell their first few units at the absolute lowest price during what's called the pre-launch or the friends and family pricing stage. Then, prices go up and up as more and more units get sold. Hope you're enjoying the show. Like and subscribe if you like this channel. So, Kathy and Carl, last time we spoke, you had a pretty tough decision to make. It was between AWA and Playa del Carmen and YaaxLum Tulum. So which one will you choose?
Decided. You want to say or me?
YaaxLum.
YaaxLum!
YaaxLum.
Yes!
Yes.
So guys, the next step here is to put $5,000 to reserve the unit and take it off the market while we conclude negotiations and your attorneys do their due diligence. Well, to celebrate, I'd like to take you guys to one of my favorite restaurants. Let's go
Great.
celebrate.
That's awesome.
Let's go.
All right.
Yes.